General Wilkins, eto, last warning ko sa iyo, na nangyari, you're lying. Oh, gusto mo i-cite ko na? Ano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last. Kanina nang tinatanong kita. Akala mo hindi kita babalikan? Now you admit that it's all about your command responsibility. Well, in fact, magtuturuan na, Asierto, dinideny mo. Of course, your words against the words of Asierto. Now, eto si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Hilapel?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na kinausap ko siya. Basta alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
na
I
ba
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie! A few minutes ago, sa harap ko, hinabi mo na delegated, that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman ako, inamin mo, question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyahan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So, Mr. Chairman, pinagbigyan na kita. Yung sagot mo.
The motion is approved.